Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is the sum of all chemical reaction taking place within a cell is called A. Thermoregulation, B. Osmoregulation, C. Metabolism, and D. Isomerism. So the correct option is C. Metabolism. The next MCQ is which one of the following is an example of anabolic process? A. Respiration, B. Digestion, C. Photosynthesis, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is C. Photosynthesis. The next MCQ is a mammalian cell contains 1.1 percentage A. Protein, B. Water, C. DNA, and D. RNA. So the correct option is D. RNA. The next MCQ is most abundant organic compound of a cell are A. Water, B. Protein, C. Carbohydrates, and D. Lipids. So the correct option is B. Proteins. The next MCQ is water is a very good solvent for substance due to its fresh nature and it is due to its higher heat capacity. A. Dipole nature, thermostabilizer, B. Polar bipolar, C. Organic, inorganic, and D. Ionic covalent. So the correct option is A. Dipole nature and thermostabilizer. The next MCQ is due to higher heat capacity of hydrogen bonds, water acts as A. Thermostabilizer, B. Solvent, C. Inert medium, and D. Reactive medium. So the correct option is A. Thermostabilizer. The next MCQ is the water molecules remain attached together and do not separate because of this bonding. A. Non-covalent, B. Ionic, C. Hydrogen, and D. Hydrophobic. The correct option is C. Hydrogen. The next MCQ is which property of water plays an important role in regulation of heat produced by oxidation? A. Heat capacity, B. Heat of vaporization, C. Dipole nature, and D. Ionization of water. So the correct option is B. Heat of vaporization. The next MCQ is if water has high latent heat of vaporization, how this property of water could be helpful to plants and animals. A. With the release of large amount of water vapors, a small amount of heat loss can take place. B. No cooling effect with the release of even large amount of water vapors. C. It will keep their temperature very high. And D. With the release of small amount of water vapors, a great amount of heat loss can take place. So the correct option is D. With the release of small amount of water vapors, a great amount of heat loss can take place. The next MCQ is which property of water helps to maintain the integrity of lipid membranes? A. Specific heat capacity, B. Cohesion and adhesion, C. Hydrogen bonding, and D. Hydrophobic exclusion. So the correct option is D. Hydrophobic exclusion. The next MCQ is water acts as universal solvent because A. Heat of vaporization, B. High polarity, C. Hydrogen bonding, and D. Cohesion and adhesion. So the correct option is B. High polarity. The next MCQ is water acts as a temperature stabilizer for many organisms in the environment because of its A. High surface tension, B. Latent heat of vaporization, C. High specific heat capacity, and D. Density. So the correct option is C. High specific heat capacity. The next MCQ is ice floats on water due to which property of water? A. Low density, B. Heat of vaporization, C. Ionization, and D. Hydrophobic exclusion. So the correct option is A. Low density. The next MCQ is most abundant carbohydrate in nature is A. Cellulose, B. Polysaccharides, C. Starch, and D. Glycogen. So the correct option is A. Cellulose. The next MCQ is all of the following yield glucose on complete hydrolysis except A. Starch, B. Cellulose, C. Glycogen, and D. Chitin. So the correct option is A. Cellulose. The next MCQ is all of the following yield glucose on complete hydrolysis except A. Starch, B. Cellulose, C. Glycogen, and D. Chitin. So the correct option is D. Chitin. The next MCQ is glucose combined with taste to form milk sugar. A. Glucose, B. Galactose, C. Fructose, and D. Mannose. So the correct option is B. Galactose. The next MCQ is formation of a trisaccharide involves release of dash water molecule. A 1, B 3, C 2, and D 4. So the correct option is C. Thanks for joining me. I hope these and MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying. Stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.